What if the software on your phone kept changing so much that it actually felt like you were holding a brand new device every few months? That's exactly what Samsung is trying to do with its latest update One UI 8.5, and the new leaked firmware shows us just how many changes are on the way. Now, let's rewind a little. Earlier this year, we saw the first leaked build of One UI 8.5 running on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It gave us a sneak peek into what Samsung was cooking up. But like any work in progress, it wasn't polished and finished icons, awkward buttons, and quirks that made it feel incomplete. Fast forward to now, and a newer build has surfaced. This time, it looks a lot more refined, and the small tweaks reveal how much Samsung is focusing on the little details that shape our everyday phone experience. Take the quick panel, for example. In the earlier build, the widget list buttons didn't look right at all. They were clunky and out of place. In this new version, Samsung has cleaned them up so they actually look the way they're supposed to. It might sound like a minor change, but think about how often you pull down that quick panel every day. That little polish makes a difference. Then there's the Digital Wellbeing app. It now comes with larger, easier to press buttons. It's one of those things that makes sense the moment you see it. Bigger buttons mean less fiddling, less frustration, and a smoother experience. Editing the lock screen has also been improved. Previously, setting up your shortcuts felt a bit limited. Now, when you tap the app shortcut in the corner, you get a full pop-up list of available apps. That means more choice, more flexibility, and a lock screen that feels truly yours. Samsung has also been busy reshaping the phone app. They've gone with an icon-only bottom bar, and in the latest build, that bar stretches across the entire screen. Even though the buttons themselves still take up only a portion of the space, the stretch design makes the layout feel more balanced. The Weather app has also picked up some of these design ideas. When you tap the search icon, the search bar moves to the bottom of the screen, just like in the Settings app. Plus, the location name now sits inside a box at the top, making it easier to spot at a glance. The Gallery app has been given love too. The Galaxy AI photo editing menu now has a refreshed look, and the bottom navigation bar shows all tab names without you needing to scroll. It's cleaner, quicker, and just feels more intuitive. And that's not all. Samsung added a subtle gradient effect to apps like Settings, Weather, and Gallery. When you scroll, you get a faint preview of the next item, giving you a sense of what's coming up. It's a small detail, but it adds flow and depth to the design. The screen recorder menu has been completely redesigned as well. The buttons are larger, and each option now comes with an icon that visually explains what it does. So whether you're recording gameplay, a tutorial, or just showing someone how to fix an issue, the menu feels a lot more user-friendly. And here's the thing, we're only scratching the surface.